learned about lines and angles in earlier classes. Now again we will recap about lines and angles. What is line and what is angles? So see here, this is called a line. Means a line has no end points, no starting points. In both directions you can extend unlimited. So this is called a line, and the part of a line is called line segment. So this one has a fixed length, say 5 centimeter. Since it has a fixed length, that's why it is a line segment. A line segment has a fixed length, but in line it has no fixed length. Line segment has a fixed length. So this one is called line, and this one is line segment. And if see this one, it has a starting point, but it has no end point. Starting point is there, but in one direction you can extend it. So this is called ray. Ray also has no fixed length. One fixed starting point is there, and in one direction you can extend it. So if two rays starts from a fixed point, then they form an angle. So this one is a ray, this one is another ray, and their starting point is same. They form an angle. This one is an angle. So angle is formed when two rays starts from a fixed point. So there are various types of angles. Number one, acute angle. Number two, obtuse angle. Then number three, right angle. Number four, straight angle. Number five, reflex angle. And number six, complete angle. Acute angle whose measures more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree. The angle whose measures more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree is an acute angle. Obtuse angle more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Right angle exactly equal to 90 degree. Straight angle 180 degree. A reflex angle more than 180 but less than 360, and complete angle 360 degree angle is called complete angle. Two more angles, complementary angles. Complementary angles means two angles are there. If sum of any two angles is equal to 90 degree, then the angles are called complementary angles. If sum of any two angles is equal to 90 degree, then the angles are called complementary angles. So as for example, 60 plus 30 is equal to 90 degree. That means 60 and 30 are complementary angles. And 30 degree is called complement of 60 and 60 degree is called complement of 30. So what is the complement of 60 degree? 30 degree is the complement of 60 degree and 60 degree is the complement of 30 degree. Now supplementary angles. Supplementary angles, if sum of any two angles is 180 degree, then the angles are called supplementary angles. As for example, 150 degree plus 30 degree is equal to 180 degree. So sum of these two angles equal to 180. That means these two angles are supplementary angles. And 30 is called supplement of 150 and 150 is called supplement of 30. So you can find out supplement of any angle or complement of any angle. So to find complement of any angle, you need to subtract the angle from 90 degree. And to find supplement of any angle, you need to subtract the angle from 180 degree. Like this you can find out complement and supplement of any angle. When two lines intersect each other, four angles are formed. Say this one, 2, 3, 4. These two lines intersect at this point and form four angles. 1 and 3 are opposite angles, 2 and 4 are opposite angles. These opposite angles are called vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. So angle 1 and angle 3 are vertically opposite angles. Angle 4 and angle 2 are vertically opposite angles. And vertically opposite angles are always equal to each other. Vertically opposite angles are always equal to each other. So we can write angle 1 equal to angle 3, angle 2 equal to angle 4. Because vertically opposite angles are always equal. Now, this is a straight line. Straight line forms a straight angle, means 180 degree. Now, see here two angles are there. Sum of these two angles is 180 because sum of these two angles form a straight line, means a straight angle. So sum of these two is equal to 180 straight angle. and these two angles are called adjacent angles. Adjacent angles means two angles having a common arm and also a common point. So see, these two angles have a common arm, this one common arm, and both the angles starts from a fixed point O. So these two angles are called adjacent angles, and since this sum of these two adjacent angles is 180 degree, so we can tell these two linear pair. So the difference between linear pair and adjacent angles, linear pairs are adjacent angles, but all adjacent angles are not linear pair. But linear pairs are adjacent angles when sum of any two adjacent angles is equal to 180 degree, then they are called linear pair. See, if this one is 120 degree, so what will be this one? Since these two angles form a straight line, a straight angle, so these two are linear pair, and if we know one of two linear pairs, so another one easily you can find out. So this angle will be 180 minus 120, because sum of these two is 180. So if one is 120, then another one will be 180 minus 120, which will be 60 degree. So like this we can find out linear pairs. If one angle is given, another one we can find out. Thank you.